Hello everyone, this is Mahesh Kamath here, founder of MK Trading School. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Nifty 50 index based on supply and demand trading methodology. So let's start with the monthly time frame of Nifty. If you see monthly trend strongly up, weekly also we're in a strong uptrend. Daily picture is slightly different into a sideways consolidation. So if you remember last time in the last overview we had discussed that we had an aggressive short in Nifty. Why was it aggressive? Because it hadn't broken this support level. It had breached it but did not have a close below that particular support. And the high of the range, let me mark that, that's around 15,966. So Nifty oscillating between the high and the low of the range. Last time, if you remember, if you've seen the session, there was a 75-minute drop supply zone where we wanted to go short, and we went short there, got stopped out at this level. So Nifty gapped up into supply, and we were stopped out on this aggressive short, taken a small stop loss, moved out. And now if you see Nifty in the middle of the range, so in a sideways range Nifty can oscillate between the extremes. So personally not in favor of trading the sideways range. What I would like to wait is wait for a clear direction here. Aggressive traders can short when price reaches the high of the range. So if you go to 125 minutes, there's a rally base drop formation here. Let's mark that. Rally base drop supply zone. And since it's supply, let's change the color to red. So if price comes back to this supply, one can look to short, expecting prices to move to the low of the range. But this short has to be on some confirmation basis. I would not advise you to go set and forget short over here, because it's a pretty obvious level, a live high monitored by a lot of stock traders. So it can act as a trap. So I would say wait on the sidelines is a better thing to do at the moment. If it starts moving down now if you see the price action today, we are having some kind of sell-off, but what I will wait for is let it break this low. Once it breaks 15,800, then probably look for some intraday shorts. You will have supply zones being created on smaller time frames, which can be used for intraday short till the time it reaches the low of the range. So low of the sideways range is here around 15,640 levels. So intraday shorts can be done, but provided only if it breaks 15,800, wait for some supply formations to join the move down. For swing traders, positional traders, let it have some clear direction. Either give you a new high, and when it breaks the existing supply there, you may find some smaller time frame demand zones to join the up move. So wait and watch at the moment. In case you find this analysis handy, I would request you all to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get your notifications whenever we post any videos.